Welcome to Art with Mr. P. Yep, that's me. Hello class. Let's look at the steps for Project 1, okay, for Term 2. The topic that we're looking on is advertising. Now the assignment that we were given was to select a 30-second advertisement and create a new advertisement using the layout, but changing the product. That means using the method it was presented in, but change the product that was being sold. You are required to edit a 30-second audio-visual advertisement or edit a 15 to 30-second audio advertisement or edit an 11 by 14 visual advertisement, usually a poster. Stage 1. The first thing that you need to do is to select an advertisement format. Now, the formats that we communicate in, right? The first thing that we're supposed to be doing is to select an advertisement format, a format of communicating. Alright? Now, for audio-visual communication formats, you will need an MP4 file. This is simply files that deal with images and sound. If you're doing an audio communication format, you will need an MP3 file. These are files which look about only sound. If you are using a visual communication format, you need a JPEG or a PNG file. This focuses on images only. Now, once you have selected your advertisement, you can download and then upload your advertisement to Google Classroom, or you can copy the link to your advertisement and post it in Google Classroom. You must, however, remember to have your correct label when you are presenting your information. So your label should show your name, the class you are in, and the method of communication that your advertisement is in. If it's audio-visual, if it's audio, or simply visual. Stage 2. The next thing that we're going to be doing is to create a list, describe what we are seeing in our advertisement, okay? So we use this list to critique your video or your audio or your picture, all right? Now the questions that you're going to be using to critique this advertisement are the following. What is the product or service being sold? What company makes or sells this product? What does the product contain, or what is the product made from? This usually asks about the ingredients. What descriptive words are used to describe the function, the taste, look of the product? Adjectives here. What reasons are given that makes the product or service worth buying? And the last question is, what method of communication was used to present the advertisement? After you have done that, we will go to stage 3. Now in stage 3, we are going to develop the idea to make our own advertisement using what the previous advertisement had shown us. Alright? So in developing our idea, we are going to try to create a new product to be sold, something we have not heard of before. Then we're going to create a company that would sell this product. It can be our company, all right? Then we're going to identify what this product contains. What is it made from? Then see if we could find at least 3 descriptive words that can be used to describe the function, taste, or look of this product. Find the reasons that makes the product worth buying, and then state the method of communication we are using to present our advertisement. Okay? So, when we're critiquing the advertisement, we're using the questions that were given. So let's see if you could identify the answers for these questions.
Introducing Waba Mineral Water with all its natural nutrients.
What is a product or service being sold? Now, based on the advertisement, can we identify the product being sold? The product here is mineral water. What company makes or sells this product? If we listen to the advertisement or we read through the passage, we will identify that the named company here is Waba. Usually, the company's name is always assigned on the package itself. Now, what does a product contain? Or what is the product made from? It is made from mineral water. So it's not just regular water or chlorine water, it's mineral water with all its natural nutrients. That means nothing artificial was added to the product. What descriptive words are used to describe the function, the taste, or the look of the product? What adjectives are used? Natural. So this identifies that the water has no man-made or artificial additives. Now, what reasons are given that you should buy the product? Because, according to the advertisement, it cleanses your body and mind, invigorates your body and mind, gives your body, mind, and soul balance. It refreshes your body, mind, and soul, and rejuvenates your body, mind, and soul. So, these are reasons they're giving that states the water is good for you. Now, what information can we change? What information will we be changing to make it our own advertisement? So, first, change what is being sold. So instead of selling water, my product is sweet pumpkin chips and dip. The company who is selling sweet pumpkin chips and dip is Roberts. So I've named my company Roberts. I just use my name to give my company a brand. Hey, it's my company, right? Have saltfish. Now, what descriptive words are used to describe the function or the taste or look of my product? Sweet, natural, big, crunchy, and spicy to describe my dip. Stage 5, editing. What reasons are given that makes the product or service worth buying? Well, it tastes good for hungry feelings. Now, in stage 6, you're selecting appropriate clues. At this area, we're identifying what images or nouns are best to represent the adjectives used in your advertisement. So, the adjective suite have identified that bee, oil honeycomb, and syrup are the best images that could be used to represent the adjective suite. Oven, or things being baked, the image words that I'm using will be an oven or an X on an oil bottle, meaning no oil added. Identify things that are crunchy. The nouns that I identify would be crumbs or a close-up of a chip. Identifies something fried crispy. Spicy is often identified by fire or pepper. Now, the submissions. What you need to submit. Work to submit for marking will be 1. The information or script of the original advertisement. 2. The information you created for your advertisement. And 3. The list of adjectives and nouns that represent them. Also, the copy of your advertisement. This would be the video or the audio or the picture file that you uploaded first. So, all you'd have to do is to upload the completed piece to Google Classroom. Now you can type this in the I know something in the class section, or you can, if you have written it in your book, you can also simply just upload the pictures or the files that are present. Remember, you're not limited by the number of pictures you want to submit, as your mistakes or practices can also be submitted for extra marks. These will show how you improved or problem solved as you completed the pieces. Remember, graphic design aims to present information in a creative way. The key is to always think of what information you want to share as the designer. I do hope this helped. Join me at the next class where we move on to creating the designs for our products. Have a good day and see you then.